morning and welcome to a new day here in Bangkok. Today we have to change the hotel that we live at because tomorrow is Songkran and we want to live near Khao Road where it's all gonna happen. So first some breakfast here and then after that we'll change hotel. Really a nice breakfast here. Okay, so we have a couple of hours in spare here before we need to check out. So we are just chilling out at the pool and enjoying the sun for a bit. So my world famous double backflip.
Daddy,
So it is time to check out here from Travel Lodge. It has been a very nice day. Actually, it is very cheap to live here, and they have a swimming pool, breakfast, everything is included, and you're still missing your bag. Traveling with plastic bags. That's the new way to do it. Thank you.
I am made to be free.
So we just checked in here at the Blue Shang guest house, and it's a very nice place. It is located very close to Khao Road, where we are gonna celebrate Songkran tomorrow. So it's perfect located and it looks nice. Yeah, got everything we need. Aircon, that's important here. Okay, so we are on our way down to the Khao Road, one of my favorite roads here in Bangkok. Ammunition for tomorrow for Songkran. Okay, there's really Songkran going on already here. Just be careful. You can really feel it Songkran tomorrow. Here in the Khao area, there's a lot of water fights going on already. And I have my pretty expensive camera with me. So we are gonna go back to the hotel and I'm gonna drop it and we're gonna go out again and we'll see what's going on. So probably I'm not gonna film this one, but yeah, I filmed the whole Songkran tomorrow. So do. What's up? What's up you? To be honest, it almost looked like Songkran is today. There's a lot of water fights going on in the city already. But I need to go up to the room with my camera and we'll go out to do the final preparations for tomorrow. And I will pick my camera up again before we go to eat dinner. We actually attended at the Songkran tonight. Normally it first starts tomorrow, but it looks like they have pre-started it and we got armed, we got a nice water gun and we had fun with them. Actually there was a lot of water fighting going on already now, but we left there pretty early today because 2 days of Songkran from tomorrow morning, I think that will be enough. Now we are on our way to the something Prior river. It should be the big river going through all of Bangkok here, and we'll have dinner at the river side. So yeah, it's gonna be good to have some food. I'm starving at the moment. So welcome here to the River City Bangkok, it's called. At this 5th floor here there should be the Balco bar where we will have dinner tonight. And I've never been here before, this is totally new for me. Okay, so it looks like a Balco bar closed 4 years ago, and now we are trying to find another place here close to the river to have some dinner because we are really hungry now. Looks nice too. Looks good. Hello. This is a nice place to eat, right?
I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go?
Okay, so the Riverside restaurant was a little bit of a disappointment. The portions we got was very small, and the price we paid was extremely high for Thai standards. So we decided to go home, and we'll just chillax a bit at the room, and I'll need to make a video for you guys, and we'll just relax until tomorrow. Good night everyone, we are ready to Songkran tomorrow. The world's biggest water fight. See you tomorrow.